Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to introduce to you my new iPhone 12 Pro. You might want to see what's in the box of iPhone 12 Pro. And then you might want to ask me, why did I not buy instead the other kinds of iPhone 12? Mind you, there are other 4 different kinds for iPhone 12. 4. And why did I choose the iPhone 12 Pro? It's just because it's just right for me. And it's not the most expensive ones. The iPhone Pro is most expensive, but the downside is it's massive and not enough for my small, no, I've got a big hand, but I love the iPhone just 12 Pro, which is right size for me because I got used to the iPhone like S Plus. I love the S Plus, the Plus. So just like this one, this is my iPhone 11, but this has got the same size with my old iPhone S, like the 8S, 6S, 7S Plus. They're all my kind of size. Yeah. So come on guys, I'll show you my iPhone collection. Today, I'm going to show you my new iPhone 12 Pro. It arrived today, so I'm going to show you what's inside the box of iPhone 12. So now we're going to open this. So this is the full cover. It's still covered and it says here iPhone, and look at that. That's quite very sophisticated. And now we're going to open it. So slip it like that. Wow. There you go. So look at this. You can see. Wow. Exciting. And look at this. Wow. I love that. 3 cameras. And I actually ordered for a gold one. I love gold. Always get gold. This one is gold. And my old one is gold. I love gold. And there's silver. It's okay. When I lost my iPhone 11, they changed it with the silver one, which is quite nice. Look at that. Turin. Wow. Nice. See? Oh, I love this one. And let's open it. Turin. Good. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice looking, isn't it? The camera. Look at that camera. Wow, this is iPhone 12 Pro. And okay, that's in the box. So what else in the box? So apart from this, so it comes from there. Then that's why it's only quite comparing to my last box for my iPhone 11. It's big, isn't it? That's really different because what's the difference is inside here there's no wall plug. You know, they when you charge it, there's no charger. Unlike here, when you open it, there is a wall plug and the headset. But the iPhone 12 has got nothing in it, no, except, oh no, there's still the charger. This is the USB Lightning and the just documentation, like including this, the open to put your SIM on and Actually, that's all about it. The leaflet about information, the design, and saying that it's designed by Apple in California. See? Designed by Apple in California. Yes, that's why it's not that thick as my old ones. Okay? And the exciting bit as well is this. I've got a new AirPod, not like a new AirPod. In the UK, this cost about 100 and something pounds. Right. And I've got the replacement SIM. I've got this, by the way, I've got my iPhone from my provider, which is the 3. I've got unlimited text, unlimited calls, unlimited minutes, unlimited data, basically. So I can stay, I can view, I can do anything without having any more price. It's a fixed price for unlimited, unlimited data I'm getting. So here we go. I'm gonna come back. I just leave and charge this and come back and I'll show you more about it. Okay? I'll show you the feature and how the Apple adds introducing the new iPhone 12. You will love it.
This is iPhone 12 Pro. The vertical band is precision machined from stainless steel. The ceramic shield on the front is tougher than any smartphone glass. And tighter borders allow for even larger Super Retina XDR displays. 5G is set to change the world with radically faster speeds. The hardware and software have been optimized for the best 5G experience. A14 Bionic has a smaller 5nm transistor which pushes the most powerful chip in the smartphone generations ahead. A new and improved Pro camera system makes the 12 Pro the photographer's iPhone. The larger iPhone 12 Pro Max takes these innovations even further. Its bigger sensor dramatically increases the detail captured and helps improve low light performance by 87%. The custom-designed LiDAR scanner puts advanced depth mapping technology in your pocket. You can now take a night mode portrait and unlock a new world of possibilities for augmented reality. iPhone 12 Pro smashes the benchmark for highest quality video in a smartphone. And the movie industry can now count on it as an essential piece of equipment. It is the world's first device able to capture, playback, and edit 10-bit HDR footage with Dolby Vision. iPhone 12 Pro comes in 2 sizes and in 4 finishes, including new Pacific Blue. An integral part of this year's design is MagSafe, an intelligent system of magnets that connect accessories in a whole new way. All this and more make iPhone 12 Pro the most powerful iPhone ever.